This example, if letters of the word rest are written in all possible order and these words are now written out as in a dictionary, what is rank of the word rest, R-E-S-T? Let's see the meaning of this. In a dictionary, the words are written according to their positions in the alphabet. Okay, the more they are they belong to this in the start of the alphabet, the more uh, every letter has a rank in alphabet, like A has rank 1, Z has rank 26, and so on. So in a dictionary, we have seen that in a dictionary, word starts with letter A. So the thing is, if a word is there, uh, a letter having lower ranking would be on the leftmost letter of the word, and so on. That way it is done. That's how a dictionary is made, and the words are arranged that way. Let's take an example. Let's see the positions of REST letters. E is given rank 1 because it is comparatively earlier with respect to the other letters in the alphabet. So after E, the second rank would be given to which letter? R, followed by S and then T. Okay. So if all the four letters are taken at a time, from these four letters, according to the principles of dictionary, what is the first word that we can make? The first rank word, according taking only these four letters, would be this. Yes, it would be ERST because of the rank. The leftmost is assigned. This is first, this is second, third, and fourth. And what is the second letter? Second word? ER is as it is. S and T we can interchange like this. So this is first word, this is second word, and so on. That way we can write till we arrive at R E S T. So the question is, what is the rank? This is the first word, this second word. What is the rank of this word rest? So these kind of problems in which dictionary concept is used, we also call them dictionary problems. So how do we do this? We have two methods. Let's first do it by the conventional method. Okay. Write the leftmost letter from which the first word starts, and it is what? It is E. Now after E we have three spaces, so which can be arranged. The other three letters can be arranged in 3 factorial, that is, so there are 6 words starting from E. Okay. This 3 factorial is for what? For arrangement of R, S and T. After this E comes the second rank word. After E comes R. So we'll write R. Then what is the next letter? When R is fixed, what are the other 3 letters? Again in left to right, increasing order of their relative rank. The first one would be E, followed by S, followed by T. 6 plus 1 is 7. Using the same conventional method 1, let's take another example, which is this. Let's Take another example of rank of the word using the first method, the conventional method. Rank of the word lambs, LMBS. Let's write their relative ranks according to the alphabet. A is 1, followed by B, second, followed by L, then M, fourth rank. So finally the fifth rank is. So now let's start. We will start with A. We have 4 spaces which is to be occupied by 60. Yes. So after that comes M. So after M comes what? A, B. Again we have 4 letters, and now these 4 letters are distinct. So each of them will give how many? How many factorials? Yes, 4 factorial in each case, which gives us 24. After I, M gives, after Mi we have M followed by, and after U comes A. So MUA followed by MUB, MUI, again followed by 3 spaces to be filled by 3 distinct remaining letters in how many ways? Yes, 3 factorial, which is 666. After which comes MUM, and then after MUM we will have A, which is 2 factorial, after which we have B, and after B followed by, yes, A and I. So if we add all these, how much we will get? So yes, if we add all, what you will get? The answer as the rank of Mumbai as 273. Okay.